Ladies and gentlemen, do you like butter? Butter and margarine? Do you have difficulty spreading that butter on your bread? Or do you find having to wash your knife off greasy margarine taxing? Well, we have a solution for you. Introducing the Butter Glider, a tube-shaped packaging made out of craft paper and coated with PLA, making it both a fashionable and sustainable choice for butter or margarine products. With a simple open, push, and glide mechanism, butter spreading has never been so easy, clean, and travel-friendly.
Butter glider is a sustainable butter paper-based packaging shaped like a tube that can be pushed from the bottom. We target butter manufacturers to attract butter consumers who like to cook, travel, or generally want a more mess-free and convenient way to use butter. The value of butter glider that it adds ease, flexibility, and efficiency. Having a stick shape will simplify butter spreading process as if you were applying glue or lipstick. The main material for this packaging is craft paper. The inner space is coated with a wood-grade bioplastic called polyactic acid. The market sizing is that the total addressable market for our product is targeted to sell about 87 million kilograms for at least 2023. The serviceable market is about 10.4 million units sold. That is assumed 40 or 30% respectively has a hobby of cooking and travel. The serviceable obtainable market of our sales product is around 522,000 units sold.
Now we're going to talk about the distribution channel. First, salesmen will be the key player to offer butter glider to big corporates that produce butter and margarine, as they can also carry out the contract agreement process. And then there's e-commerce. Butter glider is partnering up with e-commerce to provide sustainable butter packaging transaction for small or medium enterprises so that they can order butter glider at any time and in any quantity with no contract attached. For warehouse logistics, we have two reasons why we use the third-party logistics as butter glider's logistics services. It can reach new region easily through the warehouses and logistics services provided by 3PL in the target region. Also, by handling the responsibility of warehousing and logistics to 3PL, butter glider team can focus on improving and developing the packaging to fit the most current customer needs. For the distribution system, we chose this decentralized system for butter gliders distribution. It's because 3PL offers decentralized distribution centers which are spread out across Indonesia. This way, butter glider can have lower cost in transportation and do not have to worry about warehouse investment because it is handled by the 3PL. Moreover, butter glider will have better service level since order can be fulfilled faster with more distribution centers.
These are all the workstations involved in the plant: coloring workstation, coating workstation, cutting workstation, folding workstation, and assembly. Now, we will talk about the plant layout and facility design. As you can see here, the total area calculation for the plant in meter squared is 100 for the office, around 77.5 for the workstation, 49 for the employee facility, 76 for the factory facility, and 40% expansion of around 40. So in total, the area of the plant is about 334. And for the machine requirement, we have 21.5 for the coloring workstation, 5.5 for the coating workstation, 1.08 for the cutting workstation, 2.4 for the folding workstation, and 1.2 for the assembly, with a total of 31.8 meters squared. For the storage system, we have the raw material storage, which will store the PLA, craft paper, and the printer ink, while the finished goods storage will store the finished goods. The method of storage will be shelving for the raw materials and stacking in boxes for the finished goods. Now, we come to the material handling section. We have two types of conveyance method. One is with the four-wheeled hand truck, and another is with the multi-deck hand trolley.
We acquire our 3 materials from suppliers and use strategies we see fit to our high quality, cost efficient, and sustainable standards. Fortunately, all of our materials are accessible and are sourced from suppliers who fulfill our criteria. The craft paper for the body could be acquired from 2 manufacturers, which is PT Pabrik Kertas Lori Indonesia and PT Fajar Surya Wisesa or Fajar Paper, who are credible paper manufacturers with an environmentally friendly reputation and food-safe products. Both are also within an hour drive distance from our factory. The printer inks are sourced from 2 suppliers chosen, which is PT Tinta Mas and PT Inkote Indonesia, who are also credible paint or ink manufacturers with certified food-safe products and are below an hour drive away. Their paint is of high quality and they make little waste. Finally, the PLA coating, which are processed from PLA granules, are acquired from CV Karya Indah Gemilang or King, which is a leading supplier of plastic granules in Indonesia, and they've expanded in global market, importing virgin plastic granules from South Korea while exporting recycled plastic granules to different countries. Although it is located all the way to across Java from our factory, King guarantees cleanliness and quality. It would take an hour plane ride or 8-hour drive. And although our product is disposable, it is biodegradable. And so there will be minimal to no waste after our customers done using our products.
For our financial portfolio, we have an investment forecast of around 4.5 billion rupiah and an operation cost of about 800 million rupiah. In a month, Butter Glider can generate a total sales of about 4.1 billion rupiah. With a cost of goods sold for around 4.5 billion rupiah. Our company will reach our payback period in the 3rd month we operate, and Butter Glider will also have an interest rate of return of 32% in the first year.
And that is the development of our product so far. We thank you for your attention. And remember, with Butter Glider, it's just an open, push, and glide.